Hey guys, it's Logan here with Forum Lighting, and today we're going to be showing you how to install our new LED reverse lights on this 2023 Toyota Tundra. The Forum reverse lamp has a more stealth look thanks to the smoked appearance and enhances the OEM reverse light and license plate light functionality while adding a new red running light. This is great for anyone looking for a quick way to add a custom look to their Tundra and extra functionality. Let's show you how we got it installed. If equipped with a bumper step, make sure to drop this first. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 screws holding the license plate and a trim removal tool to remove 1 push pin behind the license plate. Underneath the vehicle, unplug the trailer harness, then remove the trailer connector by squeezing the tabs. Underneath the bumper caps, use a trim removal tool to remove 4 push pins and a 10mm socket to remove 2 support screws. Grab the lower valence and slowly pull the panel away, working the hanger tabs free. Next, we need to remove the bumper cover. There are 3 retainer clips holding it to the bumper structure. Use a large right-angle pick tool to release the clips and a trim removal tool to lift the panel. Repeat for the other side. Next, we can remove the bumper top caps. There are 8 retaining clips. Using a right angle pick tool and a trim removal tool, release the clips in the order shown, same as we did earlier. The last 2 clips are the most difficult. For this, start at the top and apply upward leverage on the bumper cap. Then use a right angle pick tool to push or pull the clips free. Next, using a trim removal tool, remove 7 push pins. Repeat for the other side. We can remove the bumper covers by pulling away from the outer edge, being mindful of the groove on the inner side that clasps the center cover. Behind the bumper, unplug the factory reverse light harness and release the white retainer clips holding the harness in place. There are 2 more retainer clips holding on the bumper assembly. Apply upward leverage on the bumper assembly while using a small right angle pick tool from the top to work the clips free. Let the bumper assembly hang. Do not attempt to fully remove, being mindful of sensor connections still in place. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws holding in the reverse lamp. Remove the lamp and repeat on the other side. Install the new Forum lamp using the OE hardware, making sure the alignment pins line up with the alignment socket. Do not over tighten and repeat for the other side. Plug in the lamp and test for function. With everything functioning properly, reverse the steps we used to take everything apart to put it all back together. That's it for this one. If you guys would like to pick up a set of reverse lights for your Tundra, head on over to formlights.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a Form Lighting dealer near you. We'll see you in the next one.